Welcome to our crash course on manual testing. Today we'll explore the fundamentals of manual testing, its significance in software development, and some best practices to enhance your testing skills. Manual testing involves executing test cases without automation tools. Testers act as end users, verifying software functionality to ensure it meets expectations. This hands-on approach is vital for quality assurance. Even with automation, manual testing is crucial for detecting defects that scripts might miss. It ensures software behaves correctly in real-world scenarios, focusing on user experience, user interface design, and usability. There are various manual testing types, each with a unique purpose. Exploratory testing involves minimal planning. Ad hoc testing relies on intuition. Acceptance testing checks business requirements, while regression testing ensures new changes don't break existing functionality. The manual testing process includes requirement analysis, test plan creation, test case writing, test execution, bug reporting, and retesting. Tools like Jira help track issues, ensuring thorough testing and quality results. While manual testing doesn't use automation tools, testers rely on tools for management and tracking. Follow best practices, document thoroughly, communicate clearly, prioritize critical tests, and report bugs with clear steps.